In today's video, I'm going to teach you top 5 Stremio add-ons for movies and TV shows. We're going to walk through the process of finding and installing 5 useful add-ons inside Stremio. If you already have the app open and you're logged in, you're ready to begin. Start by opening Stremio on your device. Once the app has fully loaded, look toward the side of the screen for the main navigation area. From there, open the Add-ons section. In many versions of Stremio, this is shown as an Add-ons tab or a small puzzle icon in the sidebar. This is where you can browse tools and extensions that expand what Stremio can do. After entering the Add-ons section, go into the Add-ons catalog. This is the area that lists the available add-ons you can search through and install. The catalog is especially helpful because it keeps everything organized in one place, making it easier to quickly find what you want. First, use the search bar to look for the Orion add-on. Type in Orion carefully so the correct result appears. Once you find it, open the add-on page and click Install. Give it a moment to finish. Installing add-ons one at a time helps you confirm that each one is added properly before moving on. Next, return to the catalog search and look for the Pro add-on. When it appears in the results, open it and click Install. As before, wait briefly for the installation to complete so everything syncs correctly inside the app. Now search for the Toga Kids add-on in the catalog. This one should appear once you enter the name in the search bar. Open the Toga Kids page and click Install. If you are setting up Stremio for a family-friendly experience, this can be a helpful addition to include. After that, search for the Watch Next add-on. Once you locate it in the catalog, open it and click Install. This type of add-on can be useful for improving how you keep track of what to watch next, so it's worth adding while you're already in the setup process. Finally, search for the Yeshamrim add-on. When you find it, open the add-on page and click Install. Just like the others, wait for the installation to complete before exiting the catalog. Once all 5 add-ons are installed, you can go back through your add-ons section to confirm they were added successfully. That way, you know your Stremio setup is ready and your new add-ons are available when you need them. Thanks for watching.